Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 GLB 250 4MATIC. This one's a night black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo with 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque with an 8-speed automatic transmission. 18-inch twin 5-spoke wheels. A macchiato beige MB text interior with a spiral look trim. Panorama sunroof. GLB 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Brand new set of all-season and regular floor mats. Cargo cover. Fold down rear seats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Heated seats, power windows, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera. New to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX system. You can give it simple voice commands like a smart device by saying, "Hey my Mercedes, turn heated seats on."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
Simple as that, you are able to give it a voice command. Dual climate controls, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLB has 2,537 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLB 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.